Hello, what's up, guys? Yeah, welcome back again to another section of this HTML tutorial. I am still Sunday and you're still watching Code Face. Please, if it is your first time of coming to our channel, please kindly subscribe to our channel and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss any of our updates. And don't forget that in our last tutorial we treated the HTML comments. I will say that HTML comments is used to document your source code, to actually document your source code for easy debugging. You get? So that's what you can actually use HTML comment to do. I will say that it is not seen in the browser. When you write your HTML comments, you cannot see it in the browser. So that's what we treated in our last tutorial. Now today, like I said in our last tutorial, we're going to be treating another interesting topic, which is HTML media. HTML media. Now, under the HTML media, we're going to be seeing the image, documents, how you can add images, how you can add documents, videos, audios, and YouTube videos also. So this is what we're going to be seeing in this video. So guys, please stay tuned as we go through this particular tutorial on HTML media. Now remember, this is what we actually created in the last tutorial. Let me just delete all of them, or I can just comment it out. Anyone gets. So now you have seen how to comment. You can actually comment out your code, so that if you want to use it later, you can as well uncomment it to use it. So let's start. Okay, I'm going to be starting with HTML media. Let me comment this. Now remember, if you want to comment, you come here to the beginning point of it, press down, exclamation mark, dash dash, and you come to the ending, exclamation mark, dash dash, greater than. This, and you comment HTML media. Now under the HTML media, we are going to be seeing, let's start with image. Let's start with, okay, let me use the horizontal line. Image media. Now remember, we have treated image image tag before. I will say that image is one of the tags that you must add attributes for it to work, and the attribute there is the source attribute, that's SRC, source attribute. You must add the source attribute for it to work. Without the source attribute, it can't work. So it's one of the tags that we must add attributes for them to work. So I will say, if you want to write your image tag, it does not have a closing tag, so it's a self-closing tag. So you just have to write img if your browser is user friendly. It will just bring it out inside the img, which is the only opening tag, which does not have the closing tag. Inside the img, you have your source and your alternates, and we have already explained this in our previous video when we did the image tags, HTML tags. So if you have not watched that video, please go back again to watch that HTML tags, which I'm still going to drop under the description section. So please watch that video so you can be able to understand this particular source and this particular alternate. So now I say in this source, let's add our image. Let's add our image inside this source, and I've already treated how you can be able to locate your image directory. Okay, let's say your image is inside a folder. Again, how you can be able to locate that particular image that is inside a folder. I've already treated this in a comprehensive video in our previous video, so please go back and watch that. Now let's say I want to add this image. Remember, this image is not inside any folder, it's alone. So I will just simply type the image like this, codeface.png, because it's a PNG file. It's a PNG file. If it's a JPEG, you type JPEG. If it's showing JPG, you type JPG. Anyone is showing, you just have to type the extension. We call it extension here. Now this one is showing PNG. Okay, so when you load this image, it's going to show. Let me check. Let me use our live server. Now it's going to show. Look at it showing, but the image is too big. Look at, are you seeing it? It's too big. So I now have to make use of another attribute. Another attribute is what? My width and what? And height. My width. My weight. I normally make use of this. Once you use weight, it will reduce the stuff share. Let me make use of it 100. You can see it has reduced the image and it's still retaining the same ratio. You get the same size of the image. It's not doing as if it's compressing the image or it's expanding the image. It's still retaining the same ratio of the image. So that's why I normally make use of the width only, because if you want to add height, it will actually, let me try it. It actually expand. You can see the image is not in the same ratio again. It's as if it's expanding the image, shrinking or expanding the image. So that's why we always make use of width in images, so you can retain the actual proportion of the image or ratio of the image. Now, since I've added this image, this is how you can add image. And if you want to add image that is inside another folder, you get, let's say this image now. Okay, let me go to let me see if I can see another image. Let me see if I can see another image in my system. Let me see if I can see. I cannot see. Okay, let's just use this one. Okay, let's make use of this. Let's make use of this images. Let me add it inside root. This is our main folder. This root is our main folder. Then inside this we have images. Inside this images we have second. Let me add it inside second. So I will show you guys how you can be able to locate that. Now I've added another image inside second. Let me break this. Now if I want to locate that particular image, what I have to do, I'll just have to come here inside the source and type the main folder with that images, which is img slash. I will check whether the image is still inside another folder. I'm not seeing the image here, so I have to check the second folder, which is what? Second. Okay, now I can see the image. Look at it. Now I have to type the second image folder second. Then after the second, I cannot see my image. Again, this image is too long, so you can rename it. Actually, if you are doing your own, you can rename it. You can just right click here in the image, right click on the image. You can click on the name. We say Facebook. Enter to rename it. So you just have to come here and type Facebook. It's already showing for you, Facebook.png. So it's safe. You can see it's showing here, but it's too big. You just have to use the same method. You come outside, you put another attribute. So call this attribute. You can say 200. I seen it. So this is how you can add image to your website. Now remember, this attribute serves as alternative to this particular image. Assuming this image is not loading, maybe due to network or the file name has been deleted, this alternative will actually show to pass information to the viewer on what's supposed to be there. If it's your logo, you can say logo here, so that if this logo is not loading, maybe the person's network is not strong or the file has been deleted, this particular logo will actually show to the person and identify, okay, this right of logo, this logo, a logo is supposed to be here. You get. Then assuming this is your banner, you can say banner, so that if it's not loading, banner will show, as in that particular right of banner will show, passing message to the viewer that okay, our banner is supposed to be there. Again, maybe due to network, it was not able to load very well. So just like an alternative to this particular image you have added here. So guys, this is how you add image to your website. Now I hope this is okay by now. Now let's go to another one. Another media we're going to be seeing is let's do video media. Let me just switch out. Now you can see I'm making use of these comments. Let me see, right, media. Let me see, write it so that it will be visible, so I will be able to know where each one started. Now you can see this one will not be showing, not just like I've already shown you guys in the last video. This media, the first one will not be showing. It's only the second one, because I didn't comment the second one. You can see it. This is for image media. You can see the image we have added. This is for media, video media, which we are going to add now. So I'm just trying to demarcate our work so that you don't get confused. Now if you want to add video, just like we have been using our tags, now video has its own tag. It has opening and closing tag. For video has opening and closing tag. Now we want to type the opening and closing tag, less than video, you close it, then opening tag, then closing tag should be less than slash video, you close it. So this is how you type the opening tag and closing tag of the video. It has opening and closing tag, unlike our image that does not have a closing tag. You get, unlike our image that does not have a closing tag. Now this particular video will not also work without you adding the source attribute. You get, so inside this our video we also have another tag, which is source tag. Source tag is just like to put the source of the video you want to actually add to that tag, that video tag. You get, so just like we have been writing our source tag, I just type, okay, if I write my source and make it to source to bring out what I need, but I didn't just type it from beginning so that you guys will understand it. Just like we have been writing our this. Remember, this particular source does not have a closing tag. It only has an opening tag, just like images. But the video itself, you are going to add the video tag. You are going to add it inside, has an opening and closing tag. It's inside that opening and closing tag. That between that opening and closing tag, like you're going to type your source tag. Yet you want to type it source equals to src dash. Then here is going to be where you're going to type the source of the video. Then also we also have what we call type. Very, very important. Type, the type of the video you want to add. You know, you have mp4, another mov, and so on and so forth. So the type I'm going to add, I'm also going to add it as attributes dash quotation mark. Then after the quotation mark, after the last one, I can now close the opening tag with lenser. So this is how you type the source inside the video tag. You get. Now let's do our location. Now I will have to go and add, okay, I've added a video here. I have a video here. Look at, I have a video here, mp4. Yes, so I just have to come here. Okay, let me create another folder for this video, so you can know that you can actually create more folders as you progress in this programming. Now this is my image folder. Now I have to create another folder where I'll be having my videos. You know, you can actually create folder from the VS Code. I hope you guys know, which I've shown you guys. Videos, let me see the video. Okay, so all my videos will be here. So let me go and open my images. Okay, this is video I have here. I've cut it. Let me paste it inside this video. Yeah, wow, it is okay. Now inside this video I should be able to see my video. Yeah, so that's it. Now guys, let's do our location. Now inside this thing I'm going to have video because it's inside a folder. Then after that, what's the name of the video? I can name it if I want, but let me just use it like this. Shorts, it's already bringing it out for me, so I have to just use my enter. Now this type is where you now type use the type or input the type of the video you want to add. Again, this is where you now input the type of video you actually want to add. So you get, so in this situation I want to add it's a video, then slash mp4 extension. Now let's check. I seen it, guys. I seen it. The video is showing now, but it's not actually playing. You get, I don't have any control. So you get, I don't have any control here. So, and the thing is too big, so I have to come here to the video tag now, to the video tag, and add my weight. I can add my weight to be 300. Let's check again. I think it's better now. Let me still increase it to 400. 400. Yeah, I think it's okay. Now let me add my control. If you want to add control is that play, pause, and so all those kind of control you have in your video app, your phone. So let me just have controls. Are you seeing it? You will not see play, you will not see pause, volume, and so on and so forth. You can also see download. So this is what we call control. So once you add control here, once you type your control here, your browser will recognize that you actually want to add a control button there. Yeah, so it will bring out all the control buttons that are supposed to come with a video tag. So you add this thing inside the video tag, the opening tag of the video tag. You get, that's where you add the controls, and that's where you also add your weight. So all these things are attributes. So these two attributes will make it to look like this. So you can see when I play this video, let me play it. You mistakenly type the wrong file name. Yes, so this particular alternative name we actually display to explain what it means. Now you can see how this particular stuff works. So that's for video. Then also there's another thing you can actually add in this video. You can actually add autoplay. That's what we call autoplay. So that once you preview this video, it will start playing automatically. You don't need to start pressing a play key or pause key to actually play it. So you can actually add your autoplay. Okay, so if you want to add autoplay, you just have to come here, type your autoplay. After the you mistakenly type the wrong file name. Yes, so this particular save, it will stop. That autoplay will stop. You get, you can see it. If you add it back, autoplay, save and check. It will start automatically without going here to start pressing pause and play and so on and so forth. So it depends on what you actually want to achieve. If you want to use that, maybe if you want to enter your website, maybe your YouTube video, you want to link to your website. If you want to, once they enter your website, once they load your website, let that video start playing automatically without them going to that video and replacing play key. Again, if you want to, once they load your website, it will start playing automatically. Again, then you have to add autoplay here. Okay, but if you actually want them to play it automatically, or want the video to play automatically, but if you don't want sound, of that video, you can actually use autoplay. Then after the autoplay, you can use another attribute, which is what muted. You can use this keyword, HTML keyword, which is what muted. Muted will mute the volume of that video. It will be playing, but it will mute the volume of that, or the voice of that video. So let's check. This video is actually playing because I have added autoplay, but you cannot hear the sound. You cannot hear this sound. Okay, you can see it's actually playing. Can you see it is going, but you cannot hear the sound of this video. You can try it over your side. Now you cannot hear the sound of this video because I've added what's muted. So let me remove this muted again and check. When you mistakenly type the wrong file name, yes, so this particular alternative name you can see actually display to explain what the image. You can hear the voice of that particular. If it's your logo. So this is how it works. This is how it works. So these three attributes these three keywords I've added here. Muted. It's very important. It's very important. You get, it's very important. So if you add muted here, the video and autoplay, the video will be playing without with autoplay without any volume. You get. While if you remove the muted, it will be playing with the volume, the voice, to be voicing it out. Okay, so then the control, we add the control, that pause, play, download, all those controls that is there to add it automatically for you once you have typed this control inside the video tag. Again, so this is how it works. So guys, remember, if you have not subscribed to this channel, please at this point, please just hold on, subscribe to this channel and turn on your notification bell. And if you have any question in any aspect, any form, any video at all, please kindly drop it under the comment section. I will be right there to attend to all your questions. So guys, this is for the video aspect of the tutorial, and this is for the video aspect of the tutorial. Now let's go to another media. Another media we are going to be seeing is the audio. We're going to be seeing the audio. Very important. We're going to be seeing the audio. So let me audio media. Let me use my child. Now let me use my break tag here so that it will come to the next audio. Okay, audio media, look at it. So let's go and see our audio media. Now, just like we have our video tag, we also have audio tag, and it's actually using the same way, just like this one will not be video again, it's going to be audio. So just like we wrote our video opening tag, audio closing tag, then inside this opening and closing tag, that is where you now do what? You source your audio. And if you want to bring out your source tag, you just have to write source src dash, then after that you also have the type of the audio, whether it's mp3, so on. Then you close your source tag. Now this is how you bring it out. Remember, you can actually just type source like this, source like this, to bring out those stuff for you. So but I just want you guys to be typing this in so that it will master you. Yes, so let me just remove this second one. Now just like we did in the video, you just have to locate the put the location of your audio here. Now let me check if I have audio in my, okay, let me create a folder using VS Code. Now if I want to create folder inside these roots, I just have to open these roots, make sure I'm clicking on the roots. Now I want to click on the second icon, which is for new folder. Then inside this new folder is going to be audio folder. Everything regarding our audio will be inside this folder. Then all our images will be inside the image tag. All our videos will be inside the video folder. I mean to say, not tag, video folder. And all our images will be inside the image folder. This is how you arrange your work. You get it? And you find it difficult when you have all these folders and if you don't know how to do your directory, as in locate your directory, you find it difficult, because you see many folders. You will not know where the particular image is or the folder it is, how you can be able to locate it and all this kind of stuff. So that's why it's important to learn this stuff now, so that you can be able to locate your images, your videos, your audios, and your documents, and so on and so forth. So guys, let's continue. So this is my audio folder. This is my audio folder. Then let me check if I will see any audio. If I will see any audio here. Okay, this is music. Okay, let me use this music. So it's a short music, sure. Let me see if I will see a longer. Okay, let me use this. Let me just use as an example. Let me use this music. Let me just have to copy it. Let me go to my roots. This is my roots. This is my working folder, holding all the folders we get. So I will go to audios and paste it. Now I now have audio here, and if you check your audio listing, you'll see this one that is here. Now let me do my source. Let me source that particular. Let me locate that particular audio. Now I have to type my folder, the folder where that audio is inside. Now I have to put the name. You can name this audio share, but let me just use it like you can see the name is already showing. That's user friendly of this. That's why I love this VS Code. It's very user friendly. Now the MP type, the type is what? MP3. Now let me go to, and it's audio, no longer video. Don't forget, no longer video, MP3. Now okay, let's check. It's not showing, right? Now let's go back again. Audio. Okay, this thing is correct. Okay, let's add our control. Okay, you can see it's not showing. So this audio this thing cannot work without this control, you get. So if you remove this control now, if you remove this control, it's not going to show, you get. So you must add that control inside that tag before it can be able to show. The control will bring out the playing, the downloading and everything, the muting, to mute the volume, to download it, to play it, and so on and so forth. So this is work of the control, just like we have control here in the video, you get. But this video you can actually remove the control, and the video will display, but it will not be playing unless you add the autoplay, you get. So but this audio, you must add that control, because control is audio, you get. And for you to start it, you must add the control, you get. So that's it. So guys, you can actually, just like we added our autoplay in our video, you can also add autoplay here. You just have to come to this place and add autoplay, so that once you open the stuff, it will start playing. This is a short video, so just okay, let me just refresh. Let me remove this and add it again. Autoplay. Let me save. You can see this particular stuff played automatically. Autoplay. Okay, so this is how you can actually add autoplay to your video, so that once you add it and save it immediately, your audio will start playing automatically without you going there to actually use your hand and manually start the audio. So the same way, you can actually add autoplay muted. So you can mute the volume. It will be automatically. You can see it's going. Now. It will be automatically, but it will be muted. You will not be hearing the sound. Again. So this some of the attributes you can add inside your audio tag and also inside your video tag to make your work look professional. So that's for the audio part of this tutorial. Now another important thing, another interesting thing is how you can be able to add YouTube video. Let's take for example now, in your website you actually want to link your YouTube video to your website, maybe your blog website, and you want, if a user comes to your website and read the article, after reading the article, below the article you can see the video, your YouTube video below it. Now I will show you guys how you can be able to link that YouTube video so that they will be playing it inside that particular website instead of going to YouTube to play it. So I'm going to show you guys how you can be able to do this in this video right away. So guys, please remember to subscribe and drop your question if you have any question. Also like our videos so we can be bringing more videos to you guys. Now YouTube video, let me use my break tag, horizontal, YouTube videos, YouTube video, push out. So guys, just like we have seen in other ones, video and audio, when you want to add video and audio to your website, again you just have to bring out the audio or video tag depending on the one you want to add. So we are going to be using another interesting tag which you have not seen before to add the YouTube video. Again, we're going to use another interesting tag we have not seen before to add the YouTube video. Now if you want to add this, there are two methods you can actually add this. You can actually go to YouTube and get the link to that particular stuff, to that particular video. Okay, let me check. Let me use our YouTube channel. Okay, you can actually come here and get the link to this particular video. Let me open it. Okay, once I've opened it, I can just come here and right click, then I will copy the embedded code. The embedded code will just give me the whole code, both the tag I'm going to show you guys, everything. You just copy everything and bring it for me. You get, I will just copy the embedded code and come to my HTML and paste it. Once I've pasted this, it will bring out the video for me automatically. Bring out the video for me automatically. You can see. Let me check. I seen it. See the video here to bring out the video for me automatically. So someone can just watch this video here in your website. You get, person can just watch this video here in your website. It will be cancelled for you in your YouTube account. So this is how you can actually do that. Now you can also watch this. Remember, you can also watch this in your YouTube. If you want to watch it in YouTube, you can click here to watch on YouTube. So this is how you add it. Now this is one of the method which is the simplest method. You can just go to this video, right click on the video and copy embedded code. You come to HTML and paste it. Another method you can actually do this. Let me just comment this out. Print this and paste here. Let me just copy this and paste here. Then let me use another method which is the iframe. Then inside this iframe, we have not seen this particular stuff before, this particular tag before. You get, now we are seeing it for the first time. So this iframe is actually used to add maybe YouTube videos, documents, and animation in CSS. You get, so you can actually use this to add your YouTube video. Now you just have to come to the source. If you're adding it in your YouTube, you just have to copy this. Okay, let me copy this. Let me copy all this particular stuff I have here because I'm actually embedding it. So this thing means that this is a YouTube website which you must type it complete. You get, YouTube website with HTTPS. After that, you have embed /embed, showing that you want to embed it in your website. We also have watch /watch, so that they want to watch it. Like if you go to this YouTube now, this video, you'll be seeing /watch. I seen it. You want to watch. I seen it. But this I want to embed. That's why it was showing embed. Now /the link. This is the just something like the ID, the video ID for this particular video. Get, so you just have to add it at the ending. You just have to add it at the ending. So if you check this video now, if you check this now, you'll be seeing the video. You can see the video here, which you can also play it and to start playing for you. So which other way, any other way you want to add it, you can actually use that method to actually add it. So that's it. So also have you can also resize your width. You can also say width, also add your width 500. You can say height 300 and check. You can see it has resized that particular width and height. Now you can also add autoplay and mute. You can also add autoplay and mute. You can just add the autoplay here. You can say autoplay. After the ID, the video ID, you just add question mark and autoplay should be equals to 1, and you use the and small and mute should be equals to 1, showing that I want to show it. So this is how you actually add it. You can see the video will start playing automatically. I seen it, but it will be muted. I seen it, the video will started playing automatically. Just like when you go to YouTube and you open a video, it will start playing automatically. They use autoplay there. Okay, they use autoplay, and they set their mute to 0. If you set my mute to 0 now and you check this video, it will start playing. It will be playing, but it's going to be playing with sound. You guys. So that's why they actually add one here. Add one here and refresh. It will start playing automatically without any sound. You get. If you want sound, you can actually use 0 now. Mean that you want to set the mute to 0. You get. So that's what it means. So you can see. So this is how you actually do this. You get. Now this frame now is just, let me add frame and see the effects. I see the effect. You can see this small frame, this like something like frame around this particular border, along this particular YouTube iframe. You get. You can see that frame. Let me move it so that, let me put it to 1. Let me put it to 0. That's a move. If you watch very well, you will see that particular frame looking like gray color. Okay, so this is the work of this frame, which I don't actually use it. So in case if you want to use it, you can actually set it to 1. Okay, but most important thing here is the mute and the autoplay. If you want your video to be autoplayed, you get, by itself, you just have to add it 1 and 1. You get, then the person can actually, you know, admit it. You get.
Welcome back
So
again.
that's it. So this is how you can actually add a YouTube video. Remember, if you want to add a YouTube video, you use your iframe. When you type your iframe inside the source, you put the source of the YouTube. You first of all type the YouTube website /embed /the ID or the link to that particular video. Then if you want to add the autoplay and mute, you just have to use question mark after the listing, after your YouTube link. You just have to add question mark autoplay equals to 1, and together, don't give space, and mute equals to what? Equals to 1. So this is how you add it. Or you can also as well just go to your YouTube channel and just copy the embedded link and come here and paste it. It will still do the same thing for you. You can see you have two code here, 2 videos here. So this is the easiest method you can actually do that. So guys, this is how you can actually add a YouTube video in your website, and when someone is watching it in your website, it will be counting for you in your YouTube account. So this is how you embed a YouTube video in your website. So I hope this is okay now. Another thing I want to show you guys, very very important, another thing I want to show you guys, how to add a document, how to link a document. You get, just like a PDF. For example, a PDF, if you want to add a PDF, how can you do that in your work? How can you do that? Now if you want to actually add a PDF, all you have to do is to what, bring out your iframe. We are going to be using iframe. Okay, how to add document. Let's use document. Let me break this. We're going to be using, okay, documents HR. We're going to be using the same iframe to actually add this. Now I have to bring out my iframe. Inside the iframe I have what? I have source, right? I have source. Now inside this source, that's where I'm going to add what? The source of the PDF. You get? Now let me check if I have any PDF here. I'm not sure. Okay, yeah, I have a PDF here. Look at this one. This is a PDF. Yeah, this is a PDF. Now what I have to do is I have to come to this source, and that PDF inside image img, and look at the PDF here, 7 personal developments tools. So, and the extension is what? The PDF is .pdf. So I have to save it. Let's check. I seen the PDF. It will have a scrolling button beside it. Now let's add width and height so that you can see it very well. Let's add width. Width should be, let me use 200. Height should be, let me use 500. It's too small. Okay, let me increase it to 1000. The height should be 2000. Okay, yes, it's better now, right? Now you can see all the components this iframe comes with. For this thing, you see the name of the PDF. I know you must have seen this thing in the website. I know you must have seen it, especially if you are writing a project. If you want to download a PDF, sometimes if you open it, it's going to show like this. Then you can now come here and download the PDF, and it's going to download to your system. You can see it's going to download to my system. Okay, so this is how you can actually link a PDF in your website. Okay, this is how you can actually link a PDF in your website. And you can see other option. You can even see print. Person can print it. You can see person can print it directly to his printer, and it will show you how many pages it has. You can zoom out, you can increase it, you can see, you can zoom it. So this is the effect of this. You can even rotate the stuff. You can rotate everything. You can rotate it. Now you can see this is how you add a document to your website. A document like PDF to your website. So guys, I hope this is okay by now. So remember, you use iframe to add documents like this type of documents. If you want to preview the documents, you use iframe to do that. You also use iframe to add a YouTube video. You also use iframe to add do animation. You guys, so this work of the iframe with other work of this particular iframe. Guys, so inside this source is where you locate the source or the location of that particular PDF. So guys, at this point I want to show you guys one more thing before we close for the day. One more thing which is very very important. Okay, let's say, let me use the up section. How to add link a PDF. Then your name not HR. Okay, for example, now as we, okay, let me bring out my navbar. Remember, I've treated navbar before. Inside navbar, let me have my UL. Inside this UL, let me have my LI. Inside the LI, let me have my anchor tag. Inside this anchor tag, I can say about about us. Inside this one, I can duplicate this and say read our terms or business proposal, anyone. Now I want to link this particular. Let me preview it now so that you guys will see how this thing will look. You can see this is about it to go to about, or this is read our terms to go to read our terms. Now once, if I come to this place and click read our terms, it should bring out the PDF. This PDF I added here, it should bring it out. It should bring out this PDF I added here. Now what am I going to do? I just have to link the PDF. Now if you're linking the PDF, you're not linking it to preview it as iframe, just like I've previewed this in as iframe. It's going to preview, it's going to be in your website like this. It's going to preview as iframe like this. Now what if I want to do it, I want to link it as an anchor tag. So I have to come to this href, do the location of the PDF, and the location is what? It's inside img slash is what? Inside here. So this is the location of the image. So once I come here, just like when you add the location here, you say about us. Okay, let me use about. Okay, I don't have about, let me just use contact here, contact.html. so once you click on about, it's going to go to what? Contact.html. and once you click on read our terms, it's going to open that PDF you have already linked to that href. Again, so let's try it and see. I seen it. It's going to open that PDF just like in that iframe we used before. You get, but the work of this one, you have to click before it will bring it out in iframe format. Then you can download, print, and then do other things just like you do in your iframe. So you have to click, you have to link it. You get, maybe you want to link a particular anchor tag. So once you click on that place, it's going to, they are going to read the PDF, or they are going to read the work. Yeah, that's what they normally use in the website. So when you go to the website, you have to click that particular place to see the PDF on the documents that I've added there. So this is how they do it. So you just have to link that particular read our terms, or any word you want to use there. Can you download our PDF, read our terms and everything, then link that particular PDF to the href. Now once they click on that place, they're going to see the PDF. Look at the PDF. Okay, but if you're using iframe, it's automatically previewed. They don't need to click any place. So once they go to that particular page, you want them to see the PDF, they're going to see this like this, exactly like this, without clicking on any place. You can see the two difference now. You get, both of them are PDF, but this one, if you're using iframe, it's going to preview automatically. Once you go to that page, you're going to see it without clicking any place. But if you're using this one, once you click on read our terms, it's going to direct you to that particular PDF and open for you. So this is the difference. So guys, at this point, we're going to be ending this tutorial here. Now remember what I've done. We did the audio, the images, because we did the audio, the images, we did the video, how you can add, how you can link a YouTube video to your website, how you can add autoplay, mute, and other ones. So please, this particular topic is very, very important, because you must add media in your website, you must add images, you must add video, you must add audio. Okay, even if you're going to add video and audio, you must add image to your website. So if you don't know these things, you will find it difficult to add images to your website. You get, and you know customize, do some little touches to that image. Again, so if you don't know this basis, you find it very, very difficult. So please, the way to know it is to practice, so that it will master you. So guys, as you go out or during your leisure time, just practice these things and get used to them, because as you progress to higher topics, if you don't know these small ones, you'll find it difficult to follow us along. So guys, please subscribe to our channel, turn on your notification bell. It will not cost you anything. Just hit that subscription bell and subscribe to our channel and turn on your notification bell. If you have any questions in any of our videos, please make use of the comment section. I will be right there to attend to all your questions. So see you guys in our next tutorial. In our next tutorial, we're going to be teaching another interesting topic, which is going to be what? The HTML form. The HTML form. You're going to be teaching the HTML form in our next topic. So guys, please stay tuned to our next tutorial. See you guys